How one trader turned $125,000 into $43 million in just 4 months. It's April 2025. The crypto market is showing signs of weakness. Most traders are sitting on the sidelines, waiting for clarity. But one anonymous trader makes a bold decision that would change their life forever. With exactly $125,000, this trader deposited funds onto a platform called Hyperliquid, a decentralized exchange that most people had never heard of. What happened next reads like something out of a Hollywood script, except this story is completely real and documented on the blockchain. Over the next 4 months, while others watched the market with uncertainty, this trader executed one of the most remarkable trading strategies in crypto history. They didn't diversify, they didn't hedge, they went all in on Ethereum with 10 times leverage and never looked back. Think about what 10 times leverage means. For every 1% Ethereum moves up, their position gains 10%. But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of taking profits along the way like 99% of traders would do, this person did something radically different. They compounded everything. Every single dollar of profit got rolled back into their Ethereum position, building what would become a $303 million mountain of digital assets. By August 2025, their initial investment had grown to an astounding $43 million. That's a 344 times return. To put that in perspective, if you had invested $1,000 using this strategy, you'd be looking at $344,000. But here's where the story takes an unexpected turn. On August 18th, with their unrealized profits sitting at $29.6 million, the trader noticed something changing. Whales were selling. Major ETF outflows hit $59 million. The market sentiment was shifting. This is the moment that separates successful traders from those who lose everything. Despite having the potential for even greater gains, our trader made the disciplined decision to close all positions. They walked away with $6.86 million in realized profit. That's still a 55 times return on their original investment. Ryan Lee, chief analyst at Bitget Exchange, called this timing masterful, noting that Ethereum had entered a profit-taking phase that could limit immediate upside. The trader had recognized what many miss. Sometimes the best trade is knowing when to stop trading. What made this possible? 3 critical factors. First, the platform choice. Hyperliquid offers 0 gas fees and up to 50 times leverage, though our trader wisely limited themselves to 10 times. Second, the timing. Ethereum was building momentum toward its all-time high, with institutional money flowing in through ETFs at record rates. Third, and most importantly, the iron disciplines to stick to a strategy when it's working and the wisdom to exit when conditions change. But let's be crystal clear about something. This story isn't a recommendation to try this yourself. Using 10 times leverage is like driving a race car at 200 miles per hour. One wrong move and you lose everything. For every story like this, there are thousands of traders who got liquidated trying similar strategies. What we can learn from this remarkable journey isn't about leverage or getting rich quick. It's about 3 timeless principles that apply to any form of investing. Principle 1. When you have conviction in a thesis, size your position accordingly. Principle 2. Compound your winners instead of constantly taking profits. Principle 3. And this is the most important one, always have an exit strategy and stick to it, no matter how much more you think you could make. As we sit here in August 2025, with Ethereum trading around $4,300 and institutional adoption accelerating, this story reminds us that extraordinary opportunities still exist in the crypto markets, but they require preparation, discipline, and most importantly, the wisdom to know when enough is enough. The anonymous trader who turned $125,000 into $6.86 million in 4 months didn't just get lucky. They identified an opportunity, executed a plan with precision, and had the discipline to walk away while they were ahead. In the wild world of cryptocurrency trading, that combination is rarer than the profits themselves. Remember, in trading as in life, it's not about timing the market perfectly. It's about having a strategy, managing your risk, and knowing when to take your chips off the table. The real victory isn't in making $43 million. It's in keeping $6.86 million when the music stops.